Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Anu and I want to wish you all a very happy Christmas. Merry Christmas to you all. I hope you all are having fun this festive season. So today I got an idea to make yummy cake Christmas special. You can easily make this cake without thinking of microwave, oven or OTG. You can easily make it in the gas stove. You don't have to worry about many ingredients. Only with 5 or 6 ingredients you can make a yummy spongy cake easily at home. So you must follow the steps which I've shown you in this video and you will come up with a very yummy cake for your family. I'm sure you want to make a special cake for your special ones, your loved ones, isn't it? And I'm sure you will be able to make a very yummy cake. So without wasting any time, let us watch this video, friends. But before that, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button if you really like this recipe. And also share it with your friends. I would like to say thank you to all the subscribers of my YouTube family. Thank you for being connected and being so supportive throughout. So let's start. So friends, to make sponge cake we need to have these ingredients. First we need to have 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of refined oil, 1 cup of peta, I have diced it into small pieces, 1 cup of dry fruits, I have taken kaju and kishmish, you can also take pista if you like, 3 eggs, vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking soda and 1 teaspoon baking powder. Here I have taken 250 grams of refined flour, means maida, and 250 grams of sugar, icing sugar. So these are all the ingredients which we need to make the sponge cake. Now at first we have to take a big utensil where we are going to make the batter. So first I'm going to take the maida, that is refined flour. I have taken around 250 grams each and icing sugar. So we need to mix it well. Also we will add the baking powder, baking soda and salt into it. Now I will add 1 cup of milk in it. Next I am going to add 1 cup of refined oil. Now I am going to add the eggs in it. I have taken 3 eggs. So we need to mix it very well and the batter should look like this, extremely smooth, and there should be bubbles on top as you can see in my batter. With this batter you can easily make a very soft and spongy cake. Here I have taken a cake making utensil. I will show you how to put it on stove and we can make a very nice cake. So if you want to make cake with this utensil, I will give you a link in the description box. So now I have poured all the batter in the utensil and you can see already I have greased it well with butter. In this container I have put some sand and I am heating it for 10 minutes. On the top of this small container we are going to put the big one and slowly the cake is going to be cooked. Now we will cover the lid and let it cook for 45 minutes in low flame. After 20 minutes the cake is going to look like this. It's already looking fluffy, and now I'm going to add the dry fruits. Friends, you can see after 45 minutes it's looking delicious and it's cooked nicely. So friends, the cake is ready and I have nicely taken out from the container and I've kept it on the plate. How nicely it has come out without any effort, because I had greased it so nicely with the butter. And now if you really like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel so that I can bring new videos for you all. And don't forget to comment if you have any questions to ask. Till then, all of you take care, tada, and enjoy.